In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the on-screen display overlay in MSI Afterburner and RTSS. If you're seeing performance stats cluttering your game or app, we're going to clean that up quickly and safely. Start by opening MSI Afterburner from your desktop or the Start menu. When the main window appears, look for the gear-shaped settings icon near the middle of the interface. Click that to open the detailed configuration panel. Inside Settings, switch to the Monitoring tab. This is where Afterburner manages hardware metrics like GPU temperature, CPU usage, and frame rate. On the left, you'll see a list of items that can be graphed or shown on screen. Select each metric that's currently configured to appear in the overlay. When you highlight an item, the options below the list will show whether it's set to appear in the on-screen display. Uncheck the box labeled Show an on-screen display for every item that's enabled. Take your time here. Some skins require you to click the metric first before those options appear, and you want to make sure you disable the OSD for all active entries. When you're done, click OK to save your changes. This turns off the overlay from the Afterburner side. Many setups also rely on RivaTuner Statistics Server, or RTSS, to actually render the overlay. If you're using RTSS, open it from the system tray near your clock. The icon typically looks like a small monitor or shows RTSS text. In RTSS, find the profile that matches your game or application. Profiles let you control overlay behavior per program, so make sure you're editing the right one and not just the global default if you've created app-specific entries. With the correct profile selected, locate the on-screen display rendering control and set it to off, or move the slider to 0%. This tells RTSS not to draw the overlay for that profile. If you prefer to turn it off globally, you can do so on the global profile, but per app control is useful if you only want to hide it in certain games. That's it. Between unchecking Show an on-screen display in MSI Afterburner and disabling OSD rendering in RTSS, the overlay should no longer appear. If you ever want it back, just reverse the changes by re-enabling Show an on-screen display for the metrics you care about and turning RTSS rendering back on. Enjoy a cleaner, distraction-free screen, and congratulations on getting everything set up just the way you like it.